Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is 9th of June and 29th day of our riding all the way from Goa to Leh and then back. We are actually on our return journey now. So yesterday we stayed at this beautiful resort called Sasa Resort at Kota. We are still in Rajasthan, and today we are planning to reach Shirdi. Shirdi is around 700 kilometers from this point. So yesterday, as I was talking about, any extra kilometer will give us head start. So yesterday we just, I think, got something around 30 to 40 kilometers of extra head start, which is good. And today we are starting at 5 o'clock altogether. So 700 kilometers from here to Shirdi is very much doable. According to Google, it will take us around 13 hours, but I would say no, we'll be taking a lot of breaks. So I'm expecting to take a lot of more time, and most probably, I think by max 10 or 11, we should be in Shirdi. So chalo, stay tuned for more updates and catch you up on the road. This is the resort where we stayed. This is the reception. Here you have a buggy, and rooms are over this side. You got to enter this line, and then across this line you have all the rooms including us. My bike is ready, fully loaded with all my luggage. This is my bike, fully loaded, and this one is of Shankar, again fully loaded. All right, a very good morning and welcome back. It's already 5:15 and we have just left Sasa Resort at Kota from Kota, and now we are heading to Shirdi. It shows total 700 kilometers, approximately 13 hours non-stop. But as you all know, we won't be going non-stop. We will be taking multiple breaks. So the plan of action for today is this: that initially in the first half we will take a break only after 100 kilometers, so that we can cover up certain distance. And plan is to reach Indore first by afternoon, at least by max 12 o'clock, because from Indore to Shirdi is then just 400 kilometers, and that 400 kilometers we will drag on, obviously. Then we'll take lots of break in between. Health wise, we both are doing really good now. As we are getting more closer to home, you get that confident that okay, we are just certain thousands kilometers away from home. And yesterday's night was fantastic. We stayed at Sasa Resort. Finally, I think for the first time in last, as I said, last 28 days of our ride, this was the most luxurious stay we had in terms of, obviously, in terms of hospitality. That's because wherever we have stayed before, particularly in Ladakh, we stayed in almost everywhere in homestays and some guest houses. We never stayed in hotels. That's because we were doing a budget ride. And even though if it was homestay or a guest house, they were good, they were comfortable, they were not luxury. And I don't think so I have paid, or we have paid anywhere in our stays more than 1,000 rupees. Okay, so we are going through a place called Mukundara Hills Tiger Reserve. में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. So we are going through a tiger reserves. You never know, we might get tiger. And by the way, Mukundara, my name is there, Mukund. Good. So this tiger reserve is named after me. Just kidding. Yo. We'll get stuck here. Up. That was close call. This is gonna be a narrow road. God knows for 47 kilometers we got to be on this highway now. This is a state highway. A bit narrow road, obviously, because it is going through a tiger forest reserve. Look at that sun this side. Wow. Sunrise from somewhere, between Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Good morning, Suraj Devta. Good morning. थोड़ा cool रहना आज, okay? Stay calm. That's very important. Don't get excited, okay?
Take your own time. All right, welcome to Madhya Pradesh. We are in now MP. Yeah, 4:07, and we are in Madhya Pradesh. Indore is around 200 kilometers from here, and now we have almost, not almost, we have made it to 100 kilometers since we left that resort. Commendable job. In 1 hour and 45 minutes we made it 100 kilometers. That's good, that's good. It's already 8 o'clock and we had our first break after 150 kilometers. That's good. In 3 hours we made it 150 kilometers. We just had a typical breakfast, shave and tea. There was nothing else, but tea was very good. And you have lot of windmills here. See, all around from this angle to that angle, everywhere windmills. Good. Pavan Chakki. नहीं आता नहीं तुम लोग जाओ. The bus conductor is telling me आ जाओ. We are not here for racing, bro. Riding is like a meditation. You know, you focus. That's very important. All right, it's already 9 o'clock in the morning, and since morning when we left, we have done 200 kilometers. That's good. We are feeling little sleepy, so therefore we took a break of 10-15 minutes. Now we need to look out for Red Bull. Yes, yesterday Red Bull actually helped me, and I need to get a Red Bull. Probably I think in Ujjain will get it. Ujjain from here is around 60, should be good. It's already I think 9:30, and we made it to Ujjain on time, which is very, very important. Even after taking multiple breaks, we are covering a good distance. So this is the outskirt of Ujjain city. Ujjain is very historical, historical city, historical place. You can always Google if you want to know more about historical fascinating things about Ujjain. So we are leaving Ujjain city behind, and now we are going roundabout to connect the road to Indore, highway probably to Indore. Meanwhile, I did try to investigate and find Red Bull here, and we didn't get it. So we thought, let's continue, let's not waste time, because we have more 458 kilometers to go. So therefore we thought, let's continue. Water is the only way to keep the sleep away, or just not to get dizzy. Yeah, finally after a good struggle we found D-Mart here on this road, and we bought some Red Bull. But again, Red Bull were not so cold, they were a little warm, but okay, fine, something is better than nothing. And now we are heading towards Indore. Indore is around 50 kilometers from here, and I think it will take us another 1 hour. It's already 10:30, so at least by 11:30 we should be somewhere around Indore. Once again, we are not going to enter into the Indore city. We will be bypassing the entire city, and immediately after that, maybe another 100 kilometers or so, we should be in Maharashtra. Okay, good, very good. We are on time. We got some more kilometers to cover up, 450 kilometers more. All right, baby. All right, fantastic. Good. Salah, helmet nahi hai, kuch nahi hai. Let's see how they are riding. Local heroes, obviously. Oh, wow, nice. Good skill. He has a skill. Whether he has a helmet or not, but he has a skill. That's very important. Riding skill, what I'm going to say. So on my left hand side is the entire Indore city. We have bypassed it and we are heading towards next destination, that is Dhule. And Dhule means will be in Maharashtra. इसको पनीर अंगारा बोलते हैं, राइट?
Yes.
हाँ, so this is a पनीर अंगारा. शंकर, पनीर अंगारा. Good one. चलो रखो भाई. So we just had our lunch at Hotel Naval, just outskirts of Indore city. The lunch was very heavy. We had something called Paneer Angara. That's their specialty. So we thought we'll just try Paneer Angara. Paneer Angara. Yeah. It was not spicy. It was okay. Jeera rice, some roti, and 2 bottles of thumbs up. That's because it's very hot. We got more 375 kilometers. And I think, yeah, the time says that by 9 o'clock we should be there at Shirdi if we go non-stop. So now till we reach Dhule in Maharashtra, we will be on National Highway 52. And Maharashtra, I think, is around 150 kilometers from here. So this is Narmada river which we are crossing now. A beautiful, mighty Narmada. Now we are in close proximity with Maharashtra. I think around 50 kilometers is something, not 50, maybe 70 kilometers from here, the border of Maharashtra. All right, welcome back once again, and we have entered in Maharashtra. We entered in Maharashtra. We took a break of another 15-20 minutes, had coffee, got the fuel in the bike, and now we are good to go. So more 211 kilometers to go to reach Shirdi, and it's already 6 in the evening. So it will take 5 hours from now. So probably by max 11 o'clock we should be, at Shirdi. Let's see. I'm stuck in traffic for last 15 minutes. I don't know what is the reason why traffic is jammed. I don't know for how long I will have to wait. It's already 6:10 now. I hope in next half an hour at least this traffic get cleared, otherwise we'll be getting late end of the day. Nothing I can do now. I just have to wait till this traffic get cleared. Shankar has managed to get across this traffic, I believe, because I saw him getting across this bus which belongs to Madhya Pradesh Parivahan. He was on the right side of this bus, so probably he may have got clear way to go. Okay, traffic is moving now. Okay, at least bus is moving and this Toyota is moving. And see if I can navigate through this traffic jam. Okay, and people are enjoying in the car with some whiskey. Fantastic. MP, lage raho. So let me go through this side because I saw Shankar passing this side. Oh, it's a long queue, baby. God knows what is the real reason of this traffic jam. Wait, let me go. Yes, thank you. अबे किधर से जाने का भाई? No, I'm going to stick to this side. Why to get into Locha? I can't see Shankar, by the way. It's a long queue, man. Are we gonna get across this quickly? I don't know. Okay, two-way traffic. All right. Now I got the point, baby. That's the reason it got stuck. Okay. साला ये ट्रैफिक है या सेल लगा है ट्रकों का? Seriously? The other side of the traffic is stuck for kilometers and kilometers across this river. I don't know which river is this. Let me just check. बहुत बड़ा जैम है भाई. ओए शंकरा, आजा भाई. Okay, so I'm out of the traffic. I got Shankar as well, and we are on the way to Shirdi. More 190 kilometers to go and 4 hours approximately. Look at these birds, how they are flying. Wow, nice. I hope GoPro is catching it properly. Well, we have reached Dhule, and Shirdi is now 165 kilometers from Dhule roughly. and it should take 3 hours and 30 minutes. It's already 7:15 by the way. So we will be taking a break shortly, maybe 10-15 minutes break again. Alright, so we just had another 10-15 minutes break. I had some water, some bhaji, and Shankar had vada pav. And we got more 140 kilometers to go, approximately 3 hours and 20 minutes to Shirdi. And it would be a straight road now, so we won't be speeding up. We'll be riding at 50-55, not more than that. That's because it's night time now. And it's just 140 kilometer to go. So I think by 10:30 max 11 we should be at Shirdi. It's already 7:30 here, and now we'll have a big trouble time because of incoming vehicle with full light. Let's keep going. Just 140 kilometer to go. Shankar is right behind me, and we are on Solapur Dhule National Highway. Alright, so what I'll do now, I'll switch off my GoPro because it's night time. I need to focus on my ride. So I'll see you directly at Shirdi. Stay tuned for more updates.